Oppo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. When I come around, you know it's gonna be a party. Cause I come from a land that's more fun than the other countries, where we ace our exam with flying colors cause we studied. And there's nobody else that can cook better than our mommies. Yeah, it's hotter here, and that is why my skin is brown and you'll find water here to wash my bum after I'm done raiding my Frigidaire. Cause I am proud that I'm Pinoy, I shout it everywhere and tattooed it here. A baby dog still inside the eggshell. It is good, yeah. It's called balut, yeah. I eat my ulam, rice and sausawan with my head, yeah. I close open, yeah. You have to grab friends, I have them. Where? Oppo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Op, 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 op. Oppo Pinoy style. Pinoy style. Op, 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 op. Oppo Pinoy style. Hey, Pinoy lady. Op, 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 op. Oppo Pinoy style. Space where it's shaded. Op, 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 op. My name is Mikey Bustos, your one and only Pinoy boy. I'm pointing with my lips cause hands are busy eating Pinoy. Blessing to the elderly, I mano po to Lola. But now my forehead smells like ginger cause she cooked tinola during summer here. Yeah, it is super scorching hot and the rest of the year. Yes, it is still so scorching hot, but really I don't care. Cause I just miss my split type aircon, I can pee here, almost anywhere. Cause I do okay in video, okay. Magaling, yeah. Infinitely, yeah. Yes, I am guapo, haba ng hair mo. As I told you, that's how we do. Beautiful eyes will get to you. I'm a liar, Oppo Pinoy style. Pinoy style, op, 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 Oppo Pinoy style. Pinoy style, op, 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 Oppo Pinoy style. Hey, Tita baby, op, 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 Oppo Pinoy style. Hey, we related, op, 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 op. We're barong, while eating chicharron. Just watch us take over the world with a plastic balloon. And I'm on my cellphone, texting in Jejemon. And I am deeply during brownout cause there's no aircon. Bakit ron? Oppo Pinoy style. Long live Filipino. Op, 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 Oppo Pinoy style. Mabuhay Filipino. Op, 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 Oppo Pinoy style. I'm just returning the favor.